Hey guys, David here with Patrick Hyundai, located in Schaumburg, Illinois. Today I want to go over the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy model. Let's check out some features. Alright guys, here's a 2026 Santa Fe Calligraphy with the Ecotronic Gray exterior and the brown interior. This vehicle starts with a 2.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and options of a front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. With the advanced safety technology, you get a blind spot collision avoidance assistance with a blind spot view monitor, parking collision avoidance assist when you reverse, lane follow assist, lane keep assist, and a forward attention warning. With the exterior, you get a 21 Calligraphy exclusive alloy wheels, LED taillights, headlights, and daytime running lights with power folding heated side mirrors and turn signal indicators. A driver relaxation seat, heated front and second row seats with ventilated front seats, and plus a heated steering wheel for the driver. Additionally, to your right side, you get a 12.3-inch digital instrumental cluster with a 12.3-inch navigation system and infotainment system, powered by Bose premium audio, and also you do have an additional 2 wireless chargers. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I also want to invite you guys over to our Patrick Hyundai location located at 1020 East Gulf Road, Schaumburg, Illinois. If you have any further questions or concerns about the Santa Fe, come see me.